Question number 12. What is your experience on third-party application integration? If you see this question, I have bracketed the third party. The reason is you might get a question something like, what is your exposure on application integration with RPA? So here the focus is on the application integrations. It can be any application. For instance, certain applications I have categorized as generic, like Outlook, Excel, and PDF, because most of the RPA tools by default they have given a package in order to work on these applications. They use .NET Interlock feature to handle these applications, like to read email, update a Word document, and many more. But there are third-party applications such as SAP, CyberArk that can be integrated with any RPA tool. Majority of the third-party applications are integrated with the RPA tools mainly through API. An API, application programming interface, is a set of functions that allows applications to access data and interact with external software components. How this integration is established: RPA platform connects the application's publicly supported APIs so that robot can perform certain operations by calling those APIs. Let's look at some of the example applications that can be integrated with most of the top RPA tools. Many RPA vendors provide a custom package to work on these applications. SAP is a popular one, which is used to manage business operations and customer relations. ServiceNow platform to help companies manage digital workflows for enterprise operations. CyberArk, which offers privileged account security. Many organizations use CyberArk to store the production credentials, so the RPA tool can retrieve from the CyberArk secure vault and using it during the process execution. So even you can use any other applications of your client as well to integrate using API. The only thing is the application owner needs to expose the API in order for the RPA tool to call it. So before your interview, just list down the applications that you have done integration with RPA tool. Also recollect what are the activities that you can perform using that application integration.